myself, Mr. Raghunath J. Katkar, Associate Professor in Chemistry. Today, I will discuss on the topic DSC, Differential Scanning Calorimetry. So, in this topic, there are new techniques. So, three types of this thermogrammetry: TGA, DTA, and DSC. So, in DSC and TGA, so they can differentiate depending on their parameters. Means they can check the parameters. In TG, there are thermobalance. In DTA, there is a instrument DTA apparatus, and in DSC, they are differential scanning calorimetry. So they measure the parameters. In TG, they measure only mass. Then in DTA, they measure delta T, and in DSC, they measure dH by dt. So this is the differentiate between these three types of these instruments. Then next, that is calorimetry, nothing but a device for measurement of heat transfer. Then the DSC is a technique for measuring the entropy decrease to establish a nearly zero temperature difference between a substance and inert reference material. As the two specimens are subjected to identical temperature, regimes in an environment heat or cooled, then it is the mostly widely used method of calorimetry, the study of heat transfer during physical and chemical process. Of thermal analysis, they are used in pharmaceutical industry or field. Let's go, and then DSC is a technique in which the difference in the amount of heat required to increase the temperature of a sample and reference is measured as a function of temperature. Both the sample and reference are maintained at nearly the same temperature throughout the experiment. Generally, the temperature program for a DSC analysis is designed as that the sample mode temperature increase linearly as a function of time. The reference sample should have a well-defined heat capacity over the range of temperature to be scanned. This technique was developed by E.S. Watson and M. Newell in 1962 and introduced commercially as the 1963. The first adiabatic differential scanning calorimetry that could be used in biochemistry was developed, that is a Priel and D.R. Monchilot in 1964 at the Institute of Physics in Georgia. The term this technique is used to study what happens to polymer samples upon heating. It is used to study thermal transitions of a polymer sampling the charge that take place on heating. Need to know about the calorimetry. It is one whose measures the heat in or out of the sample. The principle of the DSC, it is a technique in which the energy necessary to establish a zero temperature difference between the sample and reference material is measured as a function of temperature. Heat sample and reference material are heated by separate heaters in both, in which that the temperature are kept equal while the temperature are increased or decreased linearly. During heat, two types of reactions can be take place. One is the endothermic and other is endothermic reactions. So in endothermic reactions, if sample releases some amount of heat during phase transition, the reaction is said to be exothermic. In exothermic reaction, If sample release some amount of heat during phase transition, the reaction is said to be exothermic. In exothermic reaction, less energy needed to maintain zero temperature difference between sample and reference. For example, recrystallization, degradation, polymerization. Then comparison of DTA and DSC. So they can compare in these two instruments, depends upon their aspect. So number one, there is a sample of this size of the sample in DSC required for 2 to 10 milligram, while also in DSC sample required for 50 to 20 milligram. Then second difference, sensitivity of the measurement of Q, that is a joule per mole, and also in DTA up to 0.5 kilojoule per mole is measured. The heating and cooling cycles in DSC, programmed heating and cooling possible. In DTA, generally programmed heating. There are also specific heat measurement is accurate measured in DSC or in DTA, not accurate. जरा चेक कर बघू.